Hi there, I'm Dr. James Whitmore. I'm 60 years old with more than 35 years of experience caring for folks my own age in some of America's leading hospitals. Have you ever woken up in the morning feeling weaker, with sore joints that make it harder to move, and wondered why your body keeps wearing down even though you try to stay active during the day? I get it because I've been there too. I remember the nights lying awake with aching muscles, worrying about how long I could stay independent as I got older. But here's the good news. Today, I want to share a simple tip with you. Something I've seen work for my patients, backed by science and my own experience. It's about turning your sleep into a muscle rebuilding workshop. And no, it doesn't require major changes, just a small snack before bed. So, let's dive in together because you deserve to stay strong, healthy, and independent for years to come. After 60, our bodies can lose up to 8% of muscle mass every decade. That means we get weaker, our balance suffers, and the risk of dangerous falls goes up. But here's the shocking part. Most of that muscle loss happens at night. While you sleep, your body goes for hours without fuel, runs low on amino acids, and actually starts breaking down muscle for energy. On top of that, something called anabolic resistance makes it harder to absorb protein as we age. The result? Faster muscle loss, more joint pain, and restless nights. In my practice, many patients tell me they feel like they've aged years in just a few months. But here's the good news. Research now shows that a simple protein-rich snack before bed can stop this cycle, helping you wake up stronger, with more energy, and ready to move. The solution is simple. Eat a protein-rich, nutrient-dense snack about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This supplies your body with amino acids throughout the night, reducing muscle breakdown, triggering muscle building, easing joint pain, and even improving sleep quality. Recent research shows that this habit not only protects your muscles, but also boosts overall strength and daily energy. In this video, I'll share the top 10 foods backed by science and my own experience with hundreds of patients. We'll go from the most basic choices to the true superstars, almost like a journey. Each food will be its own chapter, with key muscle benefits, why it works, how to use it, and important cautions. And to make it real, I'll also weave in patient stories so you can see how small changes can deliver big results. Chapter 10. Almond Butter, the Steady Friend. Muscle benefits. Helps stabilize blood sugar, reduces nighttime muscle cramps, and protects muscle mass by lowering catabolic, muscle-breaking hormones. Why it's better than common alternatives. Unlike regular peanut butter that often comes loaded with sugar, almond butter provides steady energy without contributing to weight gain. How to use it. Take 1-2 spoonfuls with apple slices about 30 minutes before bed. Choose a natural, unsweetened brand for best results. It's both affordable and easy to find. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't overeat if you have nut allergies. Start with small amounts and build it into a weekly habit you can sustain. Chapter 9. Boiled eggs, the convenient protein source. Muscle benefits. Helps preserve lean muscle, giving you the strength to walk longer distances without fatigue. Why it's better than common options, easier to digest than red meat, and doesn't spike blood sugar like sweets or snacks. How to use it. Eat 1-2 hard-boiled eggs, lightly seasoned with sea salt. Prep a batch in advance so it's easy to maintain throughout the week. Common mistakes to avoid. If you have high cholesterol, stick to egg whites only. Avoid frying, which makes them heavier and less gut-friendly. Chapter 8. Greek yogurt, supporting digestion and muscle health. Real story. I remember Linda, 65, from New York. She struggled with bloating and muscle loss due to poor digestion. After adding Greek yogurt as her bedtime snack, within just 1 month she slept better, felt stronger, and now confidently takes her grandkids to the park. If Linda can do it, so can you. Muscle benefits. Reduces inflammation. boosts morning energy, and helps you move more comfortably. Why it's better than common options, lower in sugar than regular yogurt, and easier on digestion. How to use it. Eat about 150 grams with a few walnuts. Buy larger tubs to save money and plan for nightly use. Common mistakes to avoid. Always choose unsweetened versions. Try lactose-free if you're sensitive. Chapter 7. Tart cherry juice, relaxation and anti-inflammation. Muscle benefits. Relieves soreness. Improves deep sleep so growth hormone can repair and rejuvenate muscles overnight. Why it's better than common options. A natural alternative to sleeping pills, supports joints without risk of dependence. How to use it. Drink about 200 milliliter unsweetened, dilute with water if needed. Prepare small bottles for the week to stay consistent. Common mistakes to avoid. Start with a small amount if you're on blood thinners. Test first to rule out allergies. Chapter 6. Kefir, fermented milk for recovery. Let me tell you about Mary, a 8-year-old patient of mine from California. She often woke up drained, her muscles weakening day by day. But after trying kefir before bed, within just 2 months she was walking faster, her joint pain eased, and she proudly told me, "I feel 10 years younger." Her story is a reminder that even small changes can bring big results. Muscle benefits. Reduces gut inflammation, speeds up muscle recovery, and keeps energy steady all day. Why it's better than common options. Provides stronger probiotics than regular yogurt, and it's suitable for those sensitive to lactose. How to use it. Drink 200 milliliter plain or blend with fruit. Buy ahead of time and set reminders to stay consistent daily. Common mistakes to avoid. Start slowly to prevent bloating. Choose organic when possible. Chapter 5. Olive oil tuna, a steady source of leucine. One of my patients, Robert, 70, used to complain about joint stiffness every morning. When he switched from regular tuna and water to tuna packed in olive oil, within weeks he felt less achy and noticed his walks became smoother. The healthy fats made all the difference. Muscle benefits. Reduces inflammation, boosts vitamin D absorption, strengthens muscles, and keeps joints flexible. Why it's better than common options. Combines high-quality protein with healthy fats, more effective than tuna in water. How to use it. Eat half a can with a light salad. Choose low-sodium versions for easy storage and cost savings. Common mistakes to avoid. Not suitable for seafood allergies. Check blood pressure if consuming regularly. Chapter 4. Cottage cheese, protein all night long. Mr. Thomas, 70, from Florida, worried about losing muscle because of poor sleep. After adding cottage cheese before bed, he not only slept deeper but proudly told me, "Doctor, I feel strong enough to lift weights again." Sometimes a simple food really can change your life. Muscle benefits. Feeds muscles throughout the night, so you wake up stronger and ready for daily tasks. Why it's better than common options. Slower digesting than whey protein, making it ideal for bedtime. How to use it. Eat 150 grams with seeds, prep small portions ahead to build a lasting routine. Common mistakes to avoid. Choose low fat if tracking calories. Avoid eating it cold if you have a sensitive stomach. Chapter 3. Golden milk, nature's anti-inflammatory. Mrs. Helen, 66, from Texas, used to wake up stiff and sore in her knees. When she began drinking warm milk with turmeric before bed, within weeks she told me, "Doctor, I can walk to church without limping now." Sometimes the gentlest remedies are the most powerful. Muscle benefits. Relieves joint pain, eases stiffness, and helps you move freely without discomfort. Why it's better than common options. Turmeric turns plain milk into a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. How to use it. Mix 200 milliliter warm milk with 1/2 teaspoon turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Prepare a weekly blend for convenience. Common mistakes to avoid. Add a little honey if the taste is bitter. Avoid if taking blood thinners. Chapter 2. Peanut butter, a plant-powered choice. Mr. Robert, 72, a vegetarian from Texas, worried he'd lose muscle because he ate little animal protein. But after adding peanut butter before bed, within 3 months he proudly told me, "Doctor, I can carry my granddaughter without getting tired." His story shows that strong muscles don't have to come from meat. Muscle benefits. Prevents muscle breakdown, stabilizes blood sugar, supports deep sleep and overnight recovery. Why it's better than common options. More affordable and easier to find than expensive nut butters, while still vegetarian friendly. How to use it. Enjoy 1-2 tablespoons on whole grain bread. Buy a large jar to save money and plan your nightly routine. Common mistakes to avoid. Always choose natural, unsweetened peanut butter. Avoid if you have peanut allergies. Chapter 1. Whey protein shake, the muscle-building star. Imagine waking up each morning feeling stronger, walking faster, and standing with better balance. That's the power of whey protein. Muscle benefits. Triggers efficient muscle building, boosts overall strength, even without heavy exercise. Why it's better than common options. Absorbs faster than regular food, making it perfect for seniors. How to use it. Mix 40-gram whey isolate with water or plant-based milk. Keep a jar ready for easy daily use. Common mistakes to avoid. Choose lactose-free if sensitive. Don't overload it with sugar. In summary, eating the right foods before bed turns your sleep into recovery time, from steady almond butter to powerful whey protein. Start with one small change. Try a food from this list tonight and plan to keep it as part of your lifestyle. From my experience, if you stay consistent, you'll maintain muscle, ease aches, sleep deeply, and stay independent with your family. I've seen hundreds of patients transform their lives with this simple habit, and I believe you can too. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share your story in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe right now for more health tips designed for people over 60. It's completely free, and you won't miss any secrets to living stronger and healthier. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a restful night and a healthy body.